Hi, so welcome to the Learn Trade 212 in 2-minute series. In these quick episodes, I'm going to be teaching you the key terminologies within the Trading 212 app that will help you with your investing. So what is market cap? So in the financial and investing world, big words are often thrown around, which confuses a lot of people. Market capitalization is a perfect example. The market cap is just what the company is worth. So why is market cap important to know? It gives you an idea of what to expect moving forward and allows you to compare the relative size of one company versus another. So how do you get the market cap of a company? To get this number, you just have to find out how many shares the company have issued and multiply that by the current share price. For example, if a company has issued 1 million shares and each share is currently worth £100, the market cap would be £100 million. Fortunately, you do not have to keep doing this calculation yourself. It is readily available on the internet. On the Trading 212 app, just search the company, scroll down to key ratios, and you'll see a number next to market cap, and this is what the company is currently worth. There are different ranges people use when reviewing market caps. Here is a general overview. All public companies will fall into this range. To give you an example of why knowing market cap is important to know, take a large cap company. It's now mature, has an established brand, and may have experienced a lot over the years. Here you're likely to see slow but steady growth because they've already grown a lot and there's likely little room for them to grow into. Therefore, although the upside is probably limited, the risk in investing in this company is probably smaller. On the other hand, a small cap company is generally a young business that serves a small or emerging market. They tend to have fewer resources than the larger established companies and therefore are more likely to fail if there is a downturn. This type of company is very risky to invest in, but because they have a lot more upside, they have a lot more room to grow, potentially returning more to the investor. So if any of this has been useful, please click like and subscribe. Otherwise, I'll see you next time.